time I'm going to use a mirror like a smart person. Ooh, I'm so smart. Even when your hair's down. Hair is down. Okay, here we are. Let's talk about basic jewelry, the essentials, the little tiny details that make everything look good. You might not think this is important, but for style, this is important. And it's something that I learned later in my life, so it's okay if you are learning later in your life too. I want to start by saying I am not wearing any jewelry, and of course, I look fine. I can go anywhere like this. It's not some sort of tragedy. It's okay. But what if I actually want to look good? I would definitely add some finishing touches here. And that's kind of what I want to talk about right now. I got these cute little gold earrings off of Amazon that I'm very excited about. And that is why I'm here talking to you about these tiny little things. They make such a huge difference. They do this cute little clicking, attaching thing. They don't stick in the back of your head. You can wear them with nearly anything, and you can do nearly anything with them in. And they're going to make a big difference in how this whole thing looks. I also got something that we're going to unbox today. This is a little necklace I got off of Amazon, and I'm very excited about it. It's opal, and I love opals. It's hot in here. It's summertime in LA. It's gonna be hot. So I got this little box in the mail that I'm very excited about. This jewelry is inexpensive. These earrings, I think, were $12. This necklace, the same. So we're gonna unbox it and check it out. It's nicely wrapped. Not gonna get tangled like this. I'm gonna tear it open. This is one of those things that you could wear every day for quite a while before it starts looking less gold, if you know what I mean. So this is a gold-plated opal necklace. I'm very excited about this. This is something that goes with a lot of things that you like to wear because it's a little 16-incher. Here is where it lands. Right near my mole. Nice. I have my easy to wear earrings, and I have my little opal necklace that looks like a little universe in itself. Have you ever noticed what an opal looks like? It's magical. Anyhow, if opals aren't for you, you can get any stone you want. I like opals. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a very neutral tiger's eye bracelet. I'll show you a close-up. So now I'm going out to anywhere. I don't know, even a picnic. So I've got my necklace, and I've got my earrings, and I've got my bracelet. And look at the difference before and after. So these little details can make a huge difference in how you feel about how you look. They can make a huge difference in how other people think about how you're put together. You would be surprised at what a difference it can make. I'll do another example right now. I put in these other earrings that I also have up on my Amazon. Something very similar up on my website that you can click through and get. But these are so simple, and they're so nice to wear with everything. I even wear them to the pool because I might be vain, but I think it's nice. It's nice to look pretty. It's nice to feel decorated. And one should not feel ashamed of liking that feeling. So I encourage you to get nice little danglers like this. that you can wear to the pool. They have a nice clasp on them that doesn't stick into your head. It's very secure. A wonderful little earring. Why did I just show you that bracelet? So the bracelet that I just accidentally showed you is made of carnelian. I'm going to wear that one instead right now. And it's nice to have a little stretchy gemstone bracelet that you can throw on to decorate your arm. I think it adds a lot. And I also have things like that on my website that you can peruse. Something else you might want to consider are earrings that go right here. And I don't know what they are called. I've heard people call them nap earrings. It's a nap. No one has ever called that part of my ear a nap. It might be. It might be the technical term. I'm going to call it right here. So I'm going to put these on and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what did I just do? What is all this stuff? Where does all this stuff come from? What did I do? Well, that's not great. Okay, let's try this again. So these are the earrings I was talking about. These earrings. But I really like that these add a lot more gold, a lot more edge to something, make me look like an artiste. Or not. I don't know what they make me look like. Make me look like I have a lot of piercings? Kind of. I like the way they look. That's it. That's what I'm settling on. I have something else I want to talk about. It's good to have one gold plated, gold filled, whatever, gold colored, but looking good bracelet that you can wear around. Like this one is gold plated, but it's nice and hefty, and you don't have to like mix and match it. It just goes with everything. You should have a good gold bracelet that you can throw on and wear nearly every day with your everyday necklace. Last things last, I want to talk about having some very basic lightweight hoops. In this case, they're from my jewelry line. Ding! These are my octagon hoops. They are so lightweight, you don't feel them at all. But you might want to have, who can do this? Can you do this? I can't do this. I'm going to make my ear all red doing this. Gosh, it's hot in here. So check this out. So we're switching to larger hoops. This time I'm going to use a mirror like a smart person. Ooh, I'm so smart. Okay, how's that? Okay, so this is what you should own. Very basic, lightweight gold hoops in an interesting shape, or have one little interesting stone. Not a lot going on. You just need this little something that you can see even when your hair's down. Like when your hair's down. When your hair is down. Like this. Bam. So, does it even look good? Kind of. I look kind of good because I got my jewelry on. And that's what I'm trying to say to you today. You get your little blings on, you're going to feel more polished, maybe prettier. I feel pretty. You feel pretty? Let's feel pretty. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope that wasn't stupid. See you soon.